That'll be 12 points, please. Got you 12 points.
We'll need that and the rest.
Come on, Mustang!
Let's go, Jermaine!
Go, Jermaine!
Good luck, Jermaine!
That's it! Nice, boys. Discipline, Stephen! Let's go! Discipline, 10. What is Finn's limping? No. Unlucky boys.
Get set, boys! Get set! Who's next?
Let me take you
Go, fat boy!
Straight. One out. He's actually pushing up.
Yes, boys.
Oh!
Unlucky.
Hey, Dave. You've got to get a half push up with the ball. You've got to get a half push up with the ball. Put that on the line. They're still going wide, slow pace. You can't hit them. You've got to earn the right to have that right shift.
Get ready to
Go
chase.
short, get to the edge, get it frustrated, then go. You know what I mean? Then try to use the ball. The line speed will be too good.
Tell them where to go, Xavier. Xavier, they've got to break. Got to talk to them. Break fast.
Come on, Mustangs! Circle it, the legs! Go, Zay!
Alright, boys.
Nice, Zay!
Three, good boys.
Yes,
Nice tackle.
go, Stephen! Nice! Go, Hunter! Yes.
Work, Andre.
Nice, Tristan! Beautiful.
Outside moved up past the ball, eh?
Good enthusiasm.
That right side?
Yep.
Yeah, love they got up, but they went too far, they went past the ball, left that gap.
Yep.
But let's carry that. That's good, let's keep it up. Oh, magic round.
Good work, boy. Keep going.
Big chase, boys. Big chase. Get in their faces.
Hey, 3-man, 4-man, pick your spot, yeah? 3-man, 4-man. Good kick.
Good leg. Good.
Wow.
Go Hunter.
Use it now, Hunter, use it!
Turn around.
Let's go.
Owen, get to the seat!
Like, find their front, like there's nothing.
Play some footy here, boys! Full pace, boys!
We're doing a lot of it.
We're going.
Who's that
Learn
boy?
how to do it. I'll take the hit up. Don't turtle me.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Zachy.
Close up.
Oh, and you! Oh, and you!
Go with him.
Close up. Close
Yeah,
up.
Owen.
Close up.
What the heck?
Steven, discipline.
Good push, Preston. Good push. Yes, Preston.
Come on, Mustangs!
Did you see, Dave, did you see the difference when they took that hit up when Preston pushed up?
Yeah.
How they couldn't get a clean shot in because they're worried about the support play?
Let's go!
Oh,
Jermaine,
come on.
go!
Thank you.
Yes.
Let's get two runners. Two
Two
runners.
runners.
Pairs,
Pairs,
boys!
pairs.
Let's go!
Go with him, Stolly.
Come on!
Nice.
Same way, same way.
Two
Same
pass!
way.
Two pass!
Lead, Owen, lead Owen, lead Owen.
Pass!
He's got to stop that.
He's not going to score in this grade doing that. This isn't his three.
Take him on, Andre! Two pass!
Short. Good ball.
Same way now.
Same way. Punch.
Let's go! Let's go! Oh,
Yes,
Saf.
yes, go
Chase.
Zay! Go Zay!
Run, Owen!
Yes!
Well done, Andre.
Nice.
Get there!
Oh, knock on, Ref! Yeah!
Turn around.
Get in the head, boys!
Come on, boys. Discipline.
Close the momentum down. They don't have to get back on side. They don't have to do anything. We've just let them set. We don't want to see that anymore.
Discipline, boys. Come on.
Our boys are like, they're too quiet at the moment because our timing's not quite right. Just be confident. Get your two runners. I don't care who it is or what's happening. Even if the center's got to get involved, just get two runners.
Zach would show and go there.
Yeah.
Zach is on the show and go. If you've got to get into his head, like, both our halves, they can start being a bit more selfish with the ball.
Yeah, that's it. We're all too polite with each other. Eh?
What are you doing?
It's just that timing. We're just out.
We've
and
done
then
no ball
It
work.
creates confusion.
We haven't had the ball, so we haven't done anything.
Oh, we call it out, bro!
Yeah, that's better.
There we go.
Yeah, it's better, Zach.
It's repeat.
Let's go, Jermaine. Let's go, Lecker.
We've only got one water run. We've only got one water run.
Go, Stephen. Discipline. Come on.
I just may have to leave early.
That's good. That's good.
Oh, that's unlucky. Andre, you're not going in the rough.
Mark up, Bowie! Mark up!
No, that was perfect. That was that ease in. That was, Didn't have to throw the cut out.
Come on, Tim.
It's good late in the game.
Run straight,
Well, not when we've
Stephen.
earned it. Yeah, yeah. When we've earned it. But right now, this is what we're doing. They've kept it in.
That's it.
Good work, Jermaine.
Hold him down, 3 seconds.
Get in there, go out.
Nice run. Hold it.
Chop back on there.
Please.
Ref through.
Just settle, boys. Go, Stephen.
Hey, Andre.
Jeremy,
You didn't say, hey, I'm moving.
I do that a lot. It's like moving chairs at break. Can't stand in one spot.
No one has shown me today on your bike. Okay, 12 minutes I haven't had anyone say I'm not saying you have to target
Good boy,
things specifically,
Josiah.
but we need to do what we can. We need to put a good strong tackle on. We need to make a good hard run, pushing out in front. Okay, we need to own what we can control and go hard. Look for someone to do it.
Get some energy behind you, boys. Come on, bit of effort. More effort, boys.
No earlies, let's go.
Hey!
Get that corner.
Legs, legs!
Legs, go,
Hey, if we're honest, we got lucky there. There's no reason for that. Come on.
Put some effort in, Owen. Have a dig.
Just yeah, we're not thinking, okay, we kick it to the right.
Go, Zach.
Owen, get your line set, fella.
It's just not that it's good too, like, when you have time now, they want to. That's why when they get the ball, they're going, they want to. But we're not deep enough, we're not coming onto it. Our timing's just not there. As the game goes on, we will improve that. So I don't want to knock on.
That's it, Owen. Get ready, fella.
It's there, we're just not
Use it, boys.
clinical. Yeah.
Unlucky, get on it, get on it!
So keep.
Yeah.
Do you like back? That's right. That's what I'm happy. Don't let him get down on this sort of stuff.
Let's go.
Xavier.
Stay positive. Communicate here, Noah. No. Get him, TK!
Press up. Get there. Get in.
Get him out.
Get in.
That's it. Slow it down.
Press, boys, move up! Talk to them in the middle there, X. Talk to them. Take them up with you.
Go, Blake. Yes, Blake. Good run. Hold it. Nice.
Tighten that middle up, Jermaine.
Jermaine,
Push
push up,
them up
Jermaine.
with you. Take them up.
Need to talk Second defence, boys. I can't hear you.
Tarly, 4-man, come on.
Turn around, boys. Have a look. Let's set that defence.
Xavier, so Tarly's your 4-man. Get him.
Get him out. Have a look, boys.
Make some tackles, boys.
Go, Jet.
Oh, Dolly. Roll him out.
Hold. Good boy, Zach.
Go!
That's just a simple overview.
Look in there. Keep them not thinking. That'll get better, that's fine. And our defence is going okay. So let's start taking it personally. Okay, that's 3 tries now. Okay, we want to really reduce
Thank
the
you,
points.
boy.
Pick it up.
How are you going on for?
Number 10,
Number
Ace.
10.
Okay, yeah. Okay, all good.
Thank you.
Hey, when you go out there, Allegri's got 5 minutes. So I want to see a big 5 minutes out of him, and then he gets a break. Okay, so don't go hard. A couple big shots. It's at 13 minutes.
So we've got 10 minutes to go. We're going to finish like 7 or 8 to get.
Yeah, we can get him. Yeah, let's finish where you are now. You're going all the way to half time, okay?
Yeah, I got you.
No looking at the sideline.
Gone on for number 9. Yeah.
How many yet? 10 or 8?
Finn! Finn! It's always funny when they call him early. He's 2 months.
Let's go, Mustangs.
This way.
Alright. Get there, boys. Get there.
Chase, boys!
Oh, good kid!
Touch it, boys!
He touched it! He touched it!
He thought about it. He thought it.
Owen!
He didn't think it went dead.
Owen! Short, what's the short?
What's that short?
Hey, meet the
Oh,
ball,
watch
meet the
those
ball.
gaps, boys! Watch the gaps!
Put on the sideline, you boys.
Just listen to the rest, boys. Come on.
Watch that gap in
Come
front
back.
of you, Zach!
Penny, deeper.
Backman's Benny.
Run onto it, boys! Run onto it, Owen!
Move
Take
up.
that ball!
Help him, Connor.
Yes! Oh,
Stay in. Right. You've got
Go,
to-
Penny.
Let's go, put your
Let's
hand
go,
up.
Penny.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes, Benny.
Go
Nice
blind
son.
again. Go blind.
Push up, boys.
Push, press.
That's all you got to do.
Yeah,
That's all you got to do.
Preston's got to run the lead there. Preston's got to run the lead. He's getting that. He was late, but he got, yeah. That's it, X.
Wrap up,
Yes,
wrap
Right,
up.
come on.
get off him!
Good run, boys. Don't
Come on,
lift,
boys,
don't
take
lift.
one.
Go, send it!
Work, work.
Put it in the 10. Gives another 6. Gives another 6.
Oh, yes! Oh!
I love you, boys.
That was
Fix that middle, boys! Fix that middle!
Go, Mustangs.
Meet it.
Slow!
when we get the ball back.
Go, son. Go.
Hey, good work. Go, Sam.
Go, Heston.
Get him, Andre.
Go, Connor!
Go.
Yeah! Owen, push up.
Marcus work!
Go, team.
Good
Go.
slide, Owen, good slide.
Yeah,
Oh, look at the ball.
Good call! Marcus work!
Go, Stephen.
Work, Marcus!
Dylan on.
Liquor. Let's go, Jill.
Oh, who's let go again? Is it 8?
8.
15.
8 minutes. Go hard. 10 minutes. Go 10 minutes. Half the scrum.
Yeah. I seen his head. Ready, go. I got there.
I did, but because my eyes sting, I think from the sunscreen.
Nah, keep him. Sit out the back. Keep him. Yes. Mate, can you check me? Can you tell after this is all of you? Can you get through it? You can hide for a second.
Have some hard meters, mate.
Sir.
Bye. Come on, boys, discipline.
Andre, send it, bro. Send it.
Turn around.
Send it. Send it.
Discipline, boys. Let's go.
Hey, Zach, run the set. You run the set. Xavier,
Who wants
just
it,
hold.
boys?
Suck him in. You're right.
Who's going to stand up, boys? Who's going to stand up?
He said he's alright.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah. I said just take me.
Stand up, boys. Stand up. Get him on top, man. Come on, they're going early. Who wants to stand up, boys? Who's standing up?
Stay there though. That's
Owen,
it.
get in there.
Up, son. Up. Work hard, work
Go,
hard.
Benny. Yeah, good work, Benny. Who wants it, boys? Who wants it?
How you feeling? Feeling all right?
Yeah, nice.
Yes, Hunter.
Yeah, Dylan.
Chase. Push up, boy. Push up.
Yoo-hoo!
Push up.
Go,
Up in the middle. Up in the middle.
Go, Liam. Go, Liam. Go, Liam. Hold it.
Ollie, talk. Watch that middle, boys. Talk to each other.
Go, Josiah.
Nice work,
Go,
Mustangs.
team.
Xavier, call him out. All going. Defend.
Go, Dad. Go, Dad. Go, son.
Good six to begin with. Yeah. But other than that, we ruined a really good sort of set. Yeah, good running, good defense. Yeah.
They haven't plenty to go. It's been more of a good one today. We're not just setting up behind it.
Well done, son.
That's all I need. I don't know why people say that. Like it comes like at that time, eh? Like it doesn't come like.
When you need to go, you need to go. You can't just hold on.
Yeah. Thank you.
Look at that, fuck off.
Just when you're getting paid.
Yeah.
Is that up?
All Spoko, Chris back on lunch and one up.
Alright, let's go here, boys. Come on, big chase here, big chase. Let's tighten it up.
Even middle, 30 meters.
Let's go, Mustangs!
Hey, yeah, bring it. If it comes right, we can't be running around.
He's not giving us any points.
Don't go early. See,
Go,
this is
Jen,
Xavier.
come! Yes, Jen, good boy.
Good contact, boys. Good contact.
Xavier, come bring us.
Nice one, Steve. Yeah, good contact, Mustang.
That's it.
Full contact,
Turn around,
boys.
boys, let's go. All good, Jet, let's go.
Oh, wait, talk to him, bro.
Yeah, we haven't got a lot of balls.
Heads up, boys. Heads up. Heads up.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. That's unfortunate.
Go! 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 In the mouth. Hold it. Good boy, Liam.
Yeah.
Go, Blake. Go, Stephen. Go, Stephen. Nice.
Come on, boys. Get on it.
Go, Dave.
Show the line. Show the line.
Hey, tell Zach to be patient. Let's complete this.
Okay.
The numbers around the ball is awesome.
Connor was already on it. Nobody on that field.
Use the old farmer and just take it out.
Good footy, boys. Good footy.
Yeah, nice, Billy.
Where's it done?
If they can get it done the next week.
Good pace and straight. Nothing lines makes tackle.
Go, Billy.
Nice ball! Boys, chase it.
Now we're getting more and more ball.
Go, Preston.
That was cute.
Charlie still got a point with it.
Chase it, Mustangs!
Lead it. Let's go.
Chase ball. Up in the middle. Get up in the middle. Push up, boys. All of you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I didn't say he was
Let's go, let's go.
Turn around.
Get set.
Set up, boys.
set.
Get early. Get early.
Numbers in. Numbers in.
Slide. Slide.
Shot more. Andre.
Charlie.
Andre.
Here he is, boys.
Go, Stephen. Yes.
Good work, Zach. Turn around.
Go, Dad. Go, Dad. Go, Dad. Go, Hunty. Well done, Hunty.
Now the fatigue's steady in. You still got to commit. You're trying to move forward.
When they get on this thing,
That's where we failed to jump on that. So what we were saying, Zach put his body on the line.
What about you? They took so long. I just
Great tackle. If we were never going to keep it, so it gets a good play. Everyone around the run fails to work hard on it. You've got to get that confused there. We keep them on moving on that now. Get back on select, come forward.
Everyone wanted to be a marker.
Well, yeah, we're listening to our own leaks and we're thinking about ourselves, not what we're
Walk it up. Walk it up. Walk it up.
like the game, we didn't
Brothers! Yeah, for each other, boys. Stand up, boys. Stand up.
Keep the energy, keep the energy.
Let's go, let's go. Stand up, boys.
Charlie,
Let's go.
4 man.
You got 10 minutes, bro. Rip in. 10 minutes, you're coming.
Go Mustangs!
Go away, Zachy. Let's get a chase, boys.
Shut up. No earlies, big chase.
Chase, boys.
Together, boys, together. Here he is. Up, boys. You don't want it, you don't want it. Yeah! Here he is.
Good work, boys. Patience here, patience. 6 tackles, 6 tackles.
Just sit.
Run it, Dre. Run it.
First up contact is such a difference.
That was perfect.
Yeah, and TK. We're going to stop that. I don't like it.
Yeah, good play the ball, good play the ball. And again, get him off, Fred.
Good run, Andre.
Let him play the ball.
Yes.
Shoulder shot!
Yeah!
Yeah, keep it up. We go through 5 minutes of this, it'll go well. Keep it up. Big intensity.
Keep matching the yellow, boys.
Let's go, Penny. Dylan, let's go. Put your hand up. Master.
Two pass.
Yeah, wait. That's only taped on. If you fall off and it breaks, it's going to hit her in the head.
Sorry.
I don't.
Good run. Double spin, boys.
Yeah, boys, look at that, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, his finger.
Penny. Ben, how are you? You going to play the whole up? Yeah, tell the lady, yeah, you're going on for number 2. Yeah. Wait. You got a hook up.
What number are you?
Hey, Dave,
Going off number 6.
So you go to hook up, Jack go to wing. Just defend this set here, defend this set on the wing. Ben, defend this set on the wing.
Ollie, run!
Keep the pressure!
Go Mustangs!
No, this one. I want to go to wing. I'm right, it'll still be Jack now. Jack, still, hook it, bro, hook up.
Good luck with that. Yeah.
Oh, you aren't allowed to do layers.
Yeah, you will. So you've got this as well.
Noah to wing here.
We'll make the change, referee, we'll make the change.
Are you staying on? Oh, no, Jermaine, hold. He's going to give it a go.
You're like, oh, it's keen to go, eh?
It's making contact. Nah, he's going to give it a few minutes. That's what we need.
Unlucky T.
Fin to winger.
If he's no good, and Jack stays no good, and he just needs a few minutes.
Oh, mate.
Off together, boys.
Hey?
Go, Finn boys!
Done my finger. Hey? You're hurt later.
Andre, run! Turn around, boys, turn around! Who's going to stand up, boys? Who's standing up? Let's go! Ollie, yours!
Go, Stephen!
Connor! Marcus,
He's
work!
happy, he made a tackle.
Marcus,
Go,
work!
Zane!
Yeah, good work going.
Go, Zane!
Cover.
Go, Zane! Tackle
Yeah,
it,
Andre!
go, Zane! Yes, Andre!
Yeah!
That's a second, yeah.
That was like,
Good run, Zane!
Boys, talk in that middle, talk in that middle.
That was fine until the second one.
You can't put us. Seriously, don't do it. Read the room.
Later, boys.
Thanks very much, Hey, Mel, not my fault.
Go, Jet! Tuck it in and run!
Shots are tired.
Good work!
Yes, boys. That's good. Good.
Lovely kicking, boy!
Usually does that. I'm sure he kicked it. Did he kick it?
Okay?
Because he's called them. Oh.
Yeah, it's dislocated.
He kicked it.
It's
No, it's against us.
It's dislocated. It's worse than broken.
Yeah, maybe he's on there.
Yeah, it's dislocated. Imagine he catches a ball like this. He's going to dislocate the ball.
I'm gonna watch from here, buddy!
Or he'll be really running, swallowing without thinking. Dislocated means like a bone has cracked.
Nice, Josiah!
So there's just one little bone here. It's this way.
And here are the logs. The more he
Wrong way.
yeah, he's still very good.
Come on, Deja, discipline! Discipline!
Just check on him, please. Check on him.
Let's go, boys!
Tell him we
Discipline!
want him to stay. He's just getting a breather and water.
Yeah, but you're 11. Oh, 12. I mean, I'm not 12, I'm 10.
Look at it!
Go together. Go together. Don't go. Go with him,
sorry,
Phil.
Jack. Good to see you there. Go with him, boys. Go up.
Go with him.
Go with him.
Help him out, help him out!
Good work.
Yeah,
Yeah, Dylan!
Zach. Hey, Zach.
What are you doing, Finn?
I can't.
Zach. They're not happy with sticking with them. Just keep playing us. Stay happy. They're not happy with sticking with them. That's why they're doing this. Just keep pushing. Keep pushing. Don't buy into it.
They want to be a hero.
Go work, go work.
They want to be a hero.
Too fast. Too fast. Too fast.
Keep taking it. Get it to Tarly. 2 past the Tarly. Jeez. Smarter. Smarter. 2 past the Tarly.
Together, boys, in pairs, in pairs.
Let's go, boys! Take it, lad!
Go with them, Go with them! Go with them, Noah!
Who's with it?
Yeah, boys, standing up, get off him!
Go to the middle.
Stand up, boys, stand up!
They don't go try the other team.
Go, boys!
I have to go to the middle.
Well done, boys, well done! Go, Connor! Yeah! Oh, go, go!
When one team scores, you have to go to the middle.
Go, Hutto!
Yeah, boy! Connor! Connor! Compress! Owen! Compress! Compress, boys! Up! Step through, boys! Step through! Turn around! Turn around!
Tarly, 1 set.
Just take your time, just take your time, just take your time.
Yeah, wait till we get the ball. Change in defense.
Suck him in, boys. Suck him in, suck him in, suck him in.
And you're going to be...
Oh, Chad, let's go. Let's go. Up.
Together! Up, blue!
Go, Preston!
There you go! There you go! Yee-hoo!
Nice, Preston!
Up, blue, boys! Let's go! Move up, Andre!
Go, Dan! Go, Dan! Nice, David!
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. You can't play it on him.
Yeah, Owen! Yes!
Go, Dan!
Again!
Go,
Yeah, boys!
Get in there, Owen.
Hey, Jack, watch the spread.
Go, boys!
Pull them up with you, boys. Pull them up.
Go, Stephen! Yes, Stephen! Go!
Good work, Dre.
Oof. Unlucky. That was fucking good for you.
Everyone saw that.
Didn't you hear, bro?
Before that was really good line speed for a kick shut down. So yeah, we did really good. Yes, Charlie, bro. So tell the lady. What have we got left? 7. That's 15 minutes.
We'll get them both off.
We have another Jack's on, so we're not going to do the Jack one. They're going to play.
How many we got left? Okay, so we can save the 8th one.
Ollie, no
we can make
problem.
these 2 save 9.
Bubba,
I'll
no.
get them both on at the same time. And then just leave one for injury.
It's gonna break. And you're gonna dislocate. You won't be smiling.
Who's the other second rower?
Yeah.
Who's the other second rower? Noah.
Yeah, Noah's
Yeah, we can get
Noah's
Noah off. Get Noah off. Push Penny to second row. Yeah.
runner.
No, 1 step.
Yeah, when we get the ball back.
So who will next 2 or 3 minutes?
So Dylan, you go for Dylan, and then you go for Noah, but you will both go to front row, help Penny, and then Penny just goes to left second row.
Let's go, boys.
It's not Tarly.
Unless there's an injury.
Oh,
look at
is he?
Noah's
Oh,
number.
hold on, Penny's looking to come off.
Penny's still going to come. Okay,
So
well,
we
we can just do funnies.
No, I'll just do 2 funnies and leave someone else.
Penny and Dylan. Tell them 16.
Oh wait, can I?
No, Penny and Dylan.
And you just got to don't worry about what
16, yeah. And 16 and 15.
Straighten up, Joe.
So we need to spray every time we go to 16.
So, Shemaine,
Oliver.
order the name. Let's go, get him off. Dave.
And Dylan.
Dude!
Good job, Dylan.
Just Dylan.
That's exactly what we're looking for.
Stand up, boys, stand up! Yeah, we're on here, boys, we're on! Stop pressing! And again, boys, stand up, stand up!
Go, son, go!
Marcus, Mark! Stay tight in the middle, boys! Together! Set blue! Let's go, boys! Together! Yes! Let's go! Yeah. Marcus, work! Yeah, good.
Unlucky boys.
Let him play.
Yeah. Good. Yeah. They should be having fun. Make sure they're enjoying themselves. Really good. We're allowed. Go, Percy.
Close up, son.
That's good footy, Percy. Good footy. Keep it up.
Hard, mate, hard!
Run hard.
Roll through, good boy! Let's go! Who's going with?
With them. Go, son.
Yeah, smart.
That's it.
Unlucky.
Chase, boys, chase!
Miss people, kick!
Chase, Owen! Chase! Everyone chase! Chase, Jermaine!
Go, T.
Get in the line!
Go, T. Go, T. Go!
Go, Zach!
Get him, Jack!
Good run, T.
Got to get those numbers. Like, we can't just go one out. And it's those fast feet. If you're the fullback, when I get to here, I've got to start to step. I can't be still full pace.
Yeah.
Because that's that Disney's gone.
That's what's my problem. I was like 6 cups of water.
Hey! Was that bad?
Wait, you say something.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm going to university.
Oh, you're right.
Molly just got another. What up, dude?
Hey, when I get hit,
Come on, let's go, let's answer it, let's answer it.
strong enough to.
Let's go, Tristan. Let's go, boys. Keep competing, Zach. Come on, keep working.
Reset, boys, reset.
Hey, no earlies, time it, big chase.
Up together, up together.
Let's go, let's go.
Compress that middle. Where's that middle? Where's that middle?
Good luck, Trey.
Up together, boys.
Go, son. Go, guys.
Pass
Forward.
Hey, no. Every other time we're trying to keep them up, I'm not happy. That was bullshit. Fix it. Compress in, talk to each other, look after each other. That's not on. Fresh men too. They're only been on a minute.
Yep.
Mine. First one's 30 seconds. Second one's 30 Yeah, they got 8 points and 5 conversions.
Who's that doing?
It's Finn.
What's wrong with him coughing?
Yeah, just push Percy to the wing. Push Percy to the wing.
Yeah.
That might be the easiest thing to do.
Yeah. Finn!
Ben, come!
Finn!
Jim!
Jack, go back to hooker.
Percy, wing.
What number, sir? 9. Percy, we're giving you a bodyguard, bro. It's all right.
Together, boys, together.
Good kick! Good kick!
That's better. Up! Get up! Push!
Go, son! Race him! Race him! Nice,
Percy, love your work, brother.
Go for the gaps, boys! Do they race from 4 parts?
When you get older, it might be different.
No, I played on Friday
Penny!
night.
Did you?
Penny!
Did you win?
Why do you get a one-on-one?
Did you?
Let's go, Josiah! Go, boys! Don't chase them, boys.
You're learning timing. Nothing wrong with that. What he was trying to do is right. He just will get better at it. Now we get another practice at a good kick chase.
Tell him not to go into his shell. That's all right. Should happen.
And that's it, you'll get your timing. And I'd rather...
With a center like that, with Penny, just give him let him get a one-on-one.
But that's... I'd rather do it now than...
Then one of the tour guys. I love the club.
But he gets the ball.
Which one?
That one of the massive quads.
15.
So it'll be better for him to take a pop with them. Where they would do 1 and 2 together and then just have the top 4 go on the ball. Do 1, 1.
Shots Percy, stop Penny.
Nice, I know about.
Focus on the toolbox we're doing it.
Hey? Try talk about Percy. No, not these boys. No.
Yeah, quite up.
Oh, he wants him to give up.
He has to half.
Yeah.
When he gets to 50 up.
That's it, boys. No mercy for us. Let's go.
Like, and it's still or whatever. Or just a ticket.
Oh, he just said, I just said.
One line, boys. That's it. Push in that middle. Push in that middle. Get Penny. Andre, stay close. Yeah, boys! Yeah! Andre, go right a bit. Go right, Andre. Together, boys! Together! Slow it down. Up together, boys! Set blue! Let's go together!
They have a very strong smell. I can smell it from here.
Guys,
Here we go!
Push up for it. What are you doing? Push up for?
Yeah, no, that's
Intimidation, maybe.
Yeah, being a smart ass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll pop another 50. Can't pop
Different situations. So that one grew up. Rough and slow. One out.
Yeah, Zach! Yeah, Zach! Hit it up!
Run, boys.
Yeah, Penny!
Up is up!
Yeah, Penny!
Up is up!
Up, son. Get up.
Get him on, ref! Look left, ref! On! Gotta get him on!
Hey, Harsha!
On your left, ref! On your left! Go, Jermaine! Come on! Good work, Jermaine!
Okay, now it's 2 minutes.
Good work. Lucky.
No?
Here we go, boys.
It's 14 seconds.
Chase! Oh,
That's fine. But 2 minutes to go, let's finish it strong.
put it deep? Yep.
Let's go, boys. Run it back.
Ollie, stop banging on it. Also. I will.
Yeah, practicing for when it is.
Oh, me.
Boys, both sides have to go up. Both sides here.
One line, boys, one line. Compress, compress.
Go, son.
They used to get up in that. It's the last one to get down there as well.
He bunks it to the guys that are offside.
That's it.
That's you.
Thank you.